What's up guys, it's Israel here again. Now some months ago I made a video about cashbuddy app and how you can buy virtual card on the platform, and a lot of people have actually used it and they love the platform. They have been able to buy virtual card from the platform. I've also used the platform as well and it's really amazing. Now cashbuddy has some additional features that I think that you guys will be interested in a lot. Now a lot of people have also been asking for a comment on whether it can be accepted on Instagram, whether you can use it on Google Pay, on Aliexpress and several other platforms like that. Now running ads on Facebook, on Instagram, they don't accept virtual cards, but there's a new feature on cashbuddy that allows you to actually purchase a dollar card. Now this dollar card is accepted by Facebook to run ads, is also accepted by Instagram, is also accepted by Aliexpress, Google Pay to do international transactions on this platform. I'm going to be showing to you some of these additional features on cashbuddy and how you can actually use it as well. Now also there's another additional question people always ask me is whether they can receive money with their virtual card or whether this platform actually receive PayPal money. Now there's another option on cashbuddy that accepts PayPal transaction. So if you're a freelancer or you use Fiverr and you want to receive money for the transaction, you can actually use their PayPal option on their platform to actually receive money as well. This platform also has this additional feature that allows you to send money to your domiciliary account and also accept money from China. So I'm going to be showing to you all those things and all those new options that you guys should be aware of, so that for you guys who have not used cashbuddy before, it's something that you guys should be thinking of actually using. So don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification button as well. So let's dive right into the video. So welcome back guys. So like I told you guys, cashbuddy has some additional features that I'm really excited about, and it's something that you guys should be excited about. If you go to the platform, you see that it has a virtual card which a lot of people have actually been using. So it has a pro card and it has the standard card. Now for the standard card, it is currently not accessible because they are still working on it, but for the pro card, you can, if you click on it, for example, you have the opportunity of creating a USD card and you also have the opportunity of creating a Naira card as well. But for the Naira card, it's still something they are still working on, so you cannot actually use the Naira card down, but you can actually purchase the dollar card. So all you need to do is that you click on the dollar card option and then you actually pay for the dollar card. Now I know a lot of people might also want to ask me that how much is the dollar card and how much is the fee. Now for the dollar card, it has two options. It has the standard one and it has the pro one. So for the standard one and the pro one, it is $2 if you want to get virtual card. So you have to have at least $2 on the platform, which is about maybe 3,000 naira. Now the limit for the standard card is $10,000. That's the highest limit you can transfer out of your dollar card with the cashbuddy US dollar card. But with the pro card, you can actually transfer as high as 20,000 naira. Also on the card, you have the opportunity of doing a card funding fee, which is just 1,000 naira, and for the pro card it is 5,000 naira. For card monthly maintenance, for the standard card it is $2, but for the pro card it doesn't have a monthly transaction fee. So like I told you guys, the platform accepts a lot of platforms, whether I want to run Facebook ads, whether I want to use Stripe, whether I want to use Aliexpress, PayPal, Alibaba, Instagram, Amazon, Google Pay, Namecheap, Twitter, Ledger, and several other platforms like that. So their US dollar card accepts all these transactions. So depending on whether you want to run ads or whether you want to do any international transactions on this platform. And don't forget, cashbuddy is a platform that I regularly use as well. So I've actually deposited money on it and I've actually withdrawn money of it, purchased the card, and it definitely works. And that's why I think that you guys should definitely try it out. Now also on the cashbuddy app is if you want to transfer money from Nigeria to China, or you want to transfer money to your domiciliary account. So all you need to do is go to your transfer and then you can transfer money to your bank, or you can transfer money to China, or you can transfer money to your domiciliary account. Very important for you guys who do transactions online and you want to buy in dollars, especially people that own a domiciliary account. Also the cashbuddy has a PayPal options. Now like I told you guys before, for some of you who do a lot of jobs online, Fiverr and several other platforms like that, or you receive money, or you are a tech person and you create softwares for companies abroad and you want to receive payment through PayPal, maybe because PayPal is the only option they have. So all you need to do is go to the PayPal options here And once you go to the PayPal, you click on PayPal. After you must have clicked on PayPal, you click on the currency, you fill up the information, the amount you want to collect, as well as tell them, you give a comment on why you are getting this money. And then after you must have done that, you complete your transactions. After you must have completed your transactions, they give you a particular number and an email address. So anybody that wants to send money to any PayPal account, once they see this number and they input it on their PayPal account, it will actually show in your cashbuddy account, and you can definitely convert it to Naira and send it to your bank account as easy as that. The last option that I think that you guys will be excited about cashbuddy app is really about their gift card options. Now, for a lot of people who want to do giveaways, or you are an employer and you want to maybe give money away to the best employee of the month, and you are looking for how to do this, or you want to give a gift to a friend and so on and so forth, you could actually create a gift card on this platform. And once you do that, the employee can receive that gift card and use it to purchase anything online, or they can actually convert it to cash. Now, how it works is that you can click on cash card on the gift card option, and after you must have done that, you have to generate a pin. So you create a pin, the amount you want to be installed in the pin. So for example, if it is 200,000 naira, so if you want to create how many pins you want to be created, so if you want to create for 2 people, click on 2 and then you click on generate. Now after you must have clicked on generate, as simple as that, it will generate it for you, and you can actually issue out this particular gift card to a friend, and the friend can use it to purchase things online. As simple as that and as straightforward as that. So those are some of the amazing features on cashbuddy. I know a lot of people have actually been using cashbuddy, using the virtual card to purchase things online, but it's something that you guys should do if you have not used cashbuddy before. Now finally, a lot of people might also want to ask me that what is the exchange rate of cashbuddy, because it's very, very important. Now if you want to check the rate of cashbuddy, all you need to do is go to the virtual card and click on Pro Card. So after you must have clicked on Pro Card, then you click on exchange rate, and then you see the current rate of the platform, which is Thursday 24th November 2022. Now what you guys should know about this exchange rate is that it comes down and it goes up. There's no stable exchange rate you can see on this platform. The exchange rate might be 825 today, and it might actually come down to 700 in the next day. So it depends on when you want to use the platform. So anytime you want to actually find out the exchange rate, all you need to do is click on the option and then show the current exchange rate, and then if it's something that you are willing to go by, you can actually use it, purchase the dollar card and begin to use it for your transaction. As simple as that, and as actually straightforward as that. Let me see what you think about this video. If it has really been helpful to you, make sure you check on the comment below and put a like on the video as well. Let me hear your thoughts about this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification button, and if you have any question about cashbuddy, I'll put the link of the platform in the description below so that you guys can check it out, and as simple as that, you can begin to use it for your transaction. That's everything you need to know today about cashbuddy. I'll see you in the next video.